and welcome to my Lookfantastic unboxing for February of 2019. I am excited to do this one. This is my first Lookfantastic unboxing for you all. I've had a lot of experience with Lookfantastic at this point. In fact, the reason I went with Lookfantastic was because it was a beauty box from Britain that highlighted mainly British beauty products, although every once in a while they have an American product in there or something from somewhere else in Europe. And this actually was my very first beauty box, or any sort of box that came monthly, so a subscription box. And it kind of got me hooked on a couple of other ones as well. But this is one I don't think I'll ever give up. It's a little bit more expensive than some of the other beauty boxes, but I think it's well worth it. So I'll let you take a look with me at the February 2019 beauty box. Lookfantastic. So every month it comes with this Elle Magazine, and this is the one for February. And you know, I'll read them from time to time. I like magazines. I just am not finding I have the time to read them anymore. But what I do appreciate is that the British still love their magazines, and that you can get them at every store that you go to over there. So it's nice to get a British magazine once a month in this box, and this one's actually really well done. Next you have the Lookfantastic beauty box. That was the magazine falling off my bed. Of course it did. And this one just tells you more about the products that are in here. And just page by page just gives you more information about it. And towards the end, they actually give you idea on different things you can do that month for your beauty routine. And this one, they have the wearable guide to blushing pink tones. And one thing I always appreciate is that they show us one item that we'll be getting next month at the very last cover, so you get a little sneak peek. And I know The Ordinary, this is a brand that had some issues, like maybe it was going to go out of business, and apparently it hasn't gone out of business yet, because we're going to get something in our box next month from them, so that's exciting. So we get into the box itself, and I've already opened it. Actually, the lip color I'm wearing is in here, as is the cheek, the contour, and the highlight that I'm wearing. Those are all in here. And so I can tell you, this is not my favorite month. In fact, it's kind of a bummer to start my Lookfantastic journey with you on kind of a down box, but it's still a great box. So the things I'm receiving in here are just things that I personally am not as enthused about, but they're still awesome. So first up, we have the Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. I had never heard of Sleek before until I started using these, or going with these beauty boxes from Britain. And this one, it's neat. It seems to be more like the stuff you find at Target here at home, like the Target brands. Maybe Pixie is a good, I don't know. I don't know enough about Sleek, but it seems like their price-wise, they're about the same as like Pixie, which we'd find at Target. This is actually what I really like about it, though, is that it's, for it being kind of a drugstore brand, from what I can tell, the packaging is really nice, and the mirror itself is really beautiful. It's hard to show on screen, so I'll just kind of show it like this, and hopefully it doesn't flash back too badly on you. And then the colors themselves. This is Light 373, and it's got a contour, a peachy color, and a light highlighter. I actually can give you a quick review on these. The peachy color blush is nice. It's not super pigmented, but it gave enough of a a little hint of color on me. Nothing that I would say is too dramatic. I have blushes that do a much better job. The contour I actually really like. It's hard to tell, but it did kind of carve out the bottom part of my cheekbone. And then the highlight itself was a bummer. I didn't think it actually did a really good job of highlighting. I had to really go in on my nose, for instance, and it barely showed up on my cheek. So I'm gonna say the highlight itself is a mess, but the other two seem pretty nice. So this is a good one for traveling. Next is the Lord & Berry Maxim Matte Crayon Lipstick. And I like these kind of crayon lipsticks. The one that I received with the Allure, the Douce, it's not Douce, the Douce lip pencil that I received the last time, the lipstick pencil, actually was one of my favorites that I've ever received in any beauty box. This Lord & Berry, it's got a nice little color. It went on well. I added a little bit of lip gloss on top of it. So here's the Lord & Berry. And on top of it, I put the this Kevin Aquan, kind of like a gold topper. I thought it would give a little bit of warmth to the color. So the two of these together actually worked quite well on my lips tonight. And so you know the Lord & Berry color is Intimacy. Let's see. Speaking of Douce, there is a Punk Volumizer mascara in here, and I had already put on mascara this morning, admittedly not a ton, so my eye makeup is a little down today. By the way, it's nighttime, so no light here, no light here. Forgot to bring my wine, but I am unboxing a Vino box tonight, so I'm definitely going to be having some wine tonight. So if you actually are interested in Vino, which is a wine subscription box, I'm going to have a video on that soon. So this is just a normal black mascara. Oh, I didn't, yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm putting it up properly. Ooh, whoa, okay. I've never, look at the size of that thing. It's huge. Wow, it's like the size of a cat. Good gracious, that thing is huge. Anyway, I am looking forward to trying that. The lip pencil didn't let me down, so maybe this mascara won't let me down. Next up, we have a lash curler from Amit Makeup. I don't know anything about this company. It's pretty. This is a pretty little lash curler. It's a nice color. I have a lash curler already. I don't need one, so I'm probably going to give this to someone. It comes with spare lash curling pads at the bottom, so I'll go ahead and put this all together and maybe just gift it to a friend or give it to Dress for Success or something. It's very pretty, and I like the rose gold, so I appreciate the touch of metal and that they added it in here. You're probably not able to hear me over this crackling of this plastic bag. Next up, we have two products that are more for hair and skincare. We have the Philip Kingsley Maximizer. Maximizes volume, body, and bounce for fine, limp, and flyaway hair types. This is something I could use in wintertime because I have more of a flyaway hair because the moisture in the air is down. But in summertime, I have plenty of volume. In fact, I actually had to have my hair thinned at the barbershop last weekend and my bangs cut because my hair just grows really fast and it's super thick. So I might use this in the winter, and then maybe next summer I'll give it to one of my friends who has more of that fine hair texture than I have, just because I don't think I would use this otherwise. And it smells okay too. It's nothing special. So I mean, maybe I won't even use it and just give it away to somebody. So two products to give away to people. And finally, we have the Erno Laszlo Exfoliate and Detox Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. This one is very tiny. It smells kind of like you'd expect something called sea mud to smell like. It's okay. I guess I'll use it on my face. It says a facial bar, so it's something that's cute. Maybe I'll give it to my son, actually, because he's 12 now. He just turned 12 today. It's February 12th, and he's 12. So those of you who've been following my blog for a long time, Rex is 12 years old. I know. I can't even. I'll put a picture, if I remember, after this, so you can take a look at him tonight. But I think with his now teenagey skin, I think he'll appreciate this. I did want to mention something before I end this video. The sleek makeup, it reminds me a lot of a product I received from Lookfantastic in one of their advent calendars, and it has very similar colors. So when I said that the sleek would be a good travel item, I was actually specifically referring to the fact that this is good for the house and this would be good for travel. Well, I hope you enjoyed my Lookfantastic February 2019 unboxing, and I look forward to seeing you all in March of 2019 for the March 2019 Lookfantastic unboxing. Y'all have a good day.